Welcome to Gear Era, where we bring you the latest and most comprehensive automotive reviews, news, and insights. Today we are diving deep into the 2026 Ford Puma, a vehicle that perfectly blends style, performance, and practicality into a compact crossover package designed to meet the demands of modern drivers. The Ford Puma has always been a standout in its segment, and the 2026 model elevates the standard by offering a combination of refined aesthetics, advanced technology, and efficient powertrains that make it a worthy choice for anyone looking for a versatile urban SUV. In this video, we will explore the design, performance, features, interior, safety, and driving experience of the 2026 Ford Puma so that you have a complete understanding before making any decisions. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Ford Puma boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that immediately captures attention. Its compact yet muscular stance gives it a sporty appearance while maintaining practicality for city driving. The front fascia is aggressive, featuring sharp LED headlights and a signature continuous LED strip running across the front, seamlessly connecting the headlights and giving the Puma a modern and futuristic look. The grille is bold and refined, with a design that balances elegance and athleticism. The sculpted body lines not only enhance the vehicle's visual appeal, but also improve its aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to better fuel economy and stability at higher speeds. The side profile showcases a smooth, flowing silhouette with slightly flared wheel arches that provide a confident and athletic posture. The 2026 model sits on stylish alloy wheels that complement its overall design language, giving it a strong road presence. Moving to the rear, the Puma offers an elegant tailgate design with LED taillights that mimic the signature front lighting elements, creating a cohesive and sophisticated look from every angle. The rear bumper is subtly sculpted, adding a touch of sportiness without compromising practicality. Overall, the 2026 Ford Puma strikes an impressive balance between contemporary styling and functional design, making it appealing to a wide range of drivers who value aesthetics and usability. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Puma comes with a range of efficient and responsive powertrain options that cater to different driving preferences. The standard variant is equipped with a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and lively performance while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency, ideal for daily commuting and city driving. For those seeking more power, higher trims feature a mild hybrid system that combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor to enhance performance, reduce emissions, and provide seamless start-stop functionality. The transmission is precise and responsive, offering smooth gear changes, whether you opt for a manual or automatic setup. The suspension system has been finely tuned to offer a comfortable ride without sacrificing handling dynamics. Sharp steering response and well-balanced chassis characteristics ensure that the Puma feels agile in tight urban environments while remaining composed and stable on highways. One of the highlights of the 2026 Ford Puma is its interior, which combines practicality, comfort, and modern technology. The cabin is spacious for a compact SUV, offering ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and thoughtful design elements contribute to a refined and welcoming atmosphere. The seats provide excellent support for longer journeys, and higher trims offer leather upholstery and heated front seats for added luxury. Technology is at the forefront in the 2026 Puma, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation is clear and responsive, and the interface is intuitive, allowing drivers to access media, climate controls, and vehicle settings with ease. An advanced audio system ensures an immersive listening experience, while multiple USB ports and wireless charging options keep devices powered and connected. The cabin is designed with practicality in mind, featuring ample storage compartments, cup holders, and a versatile boot space that can accommodate groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. Rear seats fold flat to expand cargo capacity, making it adaptable for various lifestyle needs. Safety is a key focus for the 2026 Ford Puma, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims offer additional systems such as parking sensors, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility. These features not only provide peace of mind for the driver, but also contribute to a safer driving experience for passengers and pedestrians alike. The 2026 Ford Puma has also been designed with efficiency in mind. Its lightweight construction, aerodynamic body, and efficient powertrain options ensure that fuel consumption is optimized without compromising performance. This makes it an attractive choice for eco-conscious drivers who still want a spirited driving experience. The driving experience itself is engaging and versatile. The Puma handles urban streets with agility thanks to its compact dimensions and responsive steering. On open roads, the vehicle feels stable and confident, with minimal body roll and precise control. The suspension setup absorbs bumps and road imperfections, ensuring comfort for all occupants. Noise insulation has been improved compared to previous models, providing a quieter and more refined ride overall. In terms of connectivity, the 2026 Ford Puma offers a range of features to keep drivers informed and entertained. The infotainment system is complemented by digital instrument clusters that display essential driving information clearly. Voice control functionality allows for hands-free operation of key features, enhancing convenience and safety. Advanced connectivity features include real-time traffic updates, smartphone notifications, and over-the-air software updates, keeping the vehicle's systems up to date without requiring a visit to the dealership. For lifestyle-oriented drivers, the Puma offers optional accessories and packages that enhance customization and utility. Roof rails, sportier wheel designs, and exterior styling packages allow owners to personalize the vehicle to match their taste and needs. Interior customization options include ambient lighting, upgraded upholstery, and convenience packages that make daily use more comfortable and enjoyable. In summary, the 2026 Ford Puma is a compact SUV that successfully blends style, efficiency, technology, and safety into a versatile and practical package. Its striking design, LED lighting signature, and sporty stance make it stand out in its segment. The interior offers a comfortable and connected experience with high-quality materials and advanced technology features. Efficient powertrains deliver lively performance while maintaining excellent fuel economy, and the range of safety systems ensures peace of mind for all passengers. Whether navigating crowded city streets or embarking on longer journeys, the Ford Puma 26 is engineered to deliver a confident and enjoyable driving experience. Its combination of practicality, modern technology, and stylish design makes it a compelling choice for individuals and families alike. For those in search of a compact SUV that does not compromise on performance, comfort, or aesthetics, the 2026 Ford Puma offers a well-rounded package that addresses the needs of contemporary drivers. From daily commuting to weekend adventures, provides a reliable, stylish, and engaging vehicle experience. The attention to detail in its design, the inclusion of advanced safety and connectivity features, and its efficient performance make the Ford Puma 26 an excellent option in its class. For viewers who appreciate modern automotive engineering and want a vehicle that combines form and function seamlessly, the Ford Puma 2026 is worth serious consideration. Thank you for watching Gear Era for this in-depth review. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, do not forget to subscribe to Gear Era for more reviews, detailed specifications, and updates on the latest vehicles in the market. Your subscription ensures you stay updated with our expert insights and its so motive coverage.